For typical Fisher and Sharp carving, consider the following statements. The correct statements are, the options are shown here. This is the Fisher carbon metal complex. This is Sharp carbon metal complex. In the last video we discussed Fisher and Sharp carbon. Usually in Fisher carbon, the metal is in low oxidation state. In Sharp carbon, the metal is in high oxidation state. So the A option is correct one. That is, oxidation state of metal is low in Fisher carbon and high in Sharp carbon. The metal ligands, that is LNs, are pi acceptor ligands in Fisher carbon and non-pi acceptor ligands in Sharp carbon. So the B statement is also correct one. Auxiliary ligands are pi acceptor in Fisher carbon and a non-pi acceptor in Sharp carbon. Because of this pi acceptor character of this auxiliary ligands, the electron density moves towards metal ion. So the carbon-carbon gets positive charge. It becomes electrophilic in nature. But in Sharp carbon, these ligands are non-pi acceptor ligands. So this pi electron density will be available on carbon-carbon. So the carbon-carbon in Sharp carbon is nucleophilic in character. Because of this nature, the D statement is also correct. Carbon-carbon is electrophilic in Fisher carbon and nucleophilic in Sharp carbon. In Fisher carbon, the substituents on carbon-carbons are pi donor capacity in nature, but in Sharp carbon it is non-pi donor capacity. But in C statement it is given as substituent on carbon-carbon are non-pi donor and non-pi donor in Fisher carbon and pi donor in Sharp carbon. So this is a wrong statement. So the correct statements are A, B and D. The correct answer is the second option, A, B and D. Thank you.